This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for June 14th, 2023. It's currently April 21st, 2023, 2:58 p.m. Eastern Time. The shuffle file we're about to play was created on February 26, 2023 at 10:42 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this file right here. The overall theme and behavior for the 14th, we have a notable decline through multiple support levels. It's nullified, however, so there's some sort of chart behavior that makes the decline somewhat irrelevant. Behavior around the high is high. We have a prominent move higher through key resistance on a one day. We stay above it briefly and then we break back down through the same price level shortly thereafter. Behavior around the low is slow. We have a decline that increases with momentum moving forward into the low. I'm advised to trade around a key resistance level, where volume seems to flatten out. Overall volumes mixed with a bearish kind of undertone. When we look at the 1 month, we're right on pace with the 7 of discs at the beginning of the end of the day. So we're right on pace on the 1 month. This should be a notable decline day in the pre-market. We either open lower or open higher in the pre-market and decline in the pre-market, down to and through support, and then rotate sideways along a key support there in the pre-market into the open. At the open, there's a decline through multiple support levels, and in the first half hour, there's an important range that's highlighted on a one-day scale, or actually on a multi-day scale. Important range is highlighted. Looks like it's the bottom end of a range there in the first hour and a half. There's the bottom end of a range highlighted, and a day's low, first day's low anyhow. A key resistance highlighted there between roughly 10 and 11, so around the same time as the first low, between roughly 10 and 11. It looks like we probably go from key resistance to a low, declining pretty strongly around the 11 o'clock hour, where we meet a support level which is can be relied upon, at least at this junction. Midday we rally off of that support, significant rally standing out on a one-day chart, taking us to a day's high midday. Opportunity to open up short position there. Opportunity to open up a long position in the midst of that low that we have between roughly 10 and 11, probably closer to 11. Opportunity to open up a long position and close that long position probably closer to 1 o'clock at a key resistance level that we meet. It's resistance. It's a key technical price level on a multi-day chart, on at least a 1 month chart there. Towards the early afternoon, we rally into it. That would be where I'd exit out of the long position and probably open up a short position towards the I'd open up a short position at that high and close the short position either at the end of the day, or if we end at higher levels the following day, early in the morning. It looks like with this Ace of Cups. We do have an unexpected move higher out of a big decline around 2 o'clock. Unexpected move higher out of that decline, taking us to a near overbought peak or crest around 235-ish. And then we sell from that near overbought crest or peak into the 3 o'clock hour. In the 3 o'clock hour, we have a rally that increases with momentum moving forward in time. There is some decline in there at the end of the day as well, and the closer we get to the close, the closer we are to likely see some decline, because the close is an unexpected move higher that most likely starts out of a decline. So we go from this rally that increases with momentum in the 3 o'clock hour to a decline to an unexpected move higher at the close, and then sideways fluctuating decline in the post market. Looks like a trade opportunity. if there wasn't an opportunity to get out of the short position that we entered in midday, if there wasn't an opportunity there around the 3 o'clock hour, then the swing trade opportunity would be here around the 10 o'clock hour. That's the S&P 500 for June 14th, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, my friends, as always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. 5% of the profits back to the channel here, PayPal, Cashapp. 5% of the profits forward to one of these charities, leaving you with 90% of the profits. Make sure you spend that money out of love. Be an angel investor, and the universe is going to pay it back to you tenfold from all directions, my friends. I'll see you guys on the next one.